This is an outdoor power adapter. It takes in the normal AC power and produces 12 volts DC, which is the required voltage for your CCTV cameras. This is how it looks. The AC power cables are connected into this point here, and this is the DC output that you can feed into your CCTV camera. The case is a watertight housing that you can hang in any weather condition without being afraid of damage. With this device, you wouldn't have to worry about low power transmitted to your CCTV cameras, even if you are running very long cables from your power source. You are guaranteed the right power required for your CCTV camera regardless of cable distance. You can obtain this device at Tripplesea Technologies, the authorized distributors of JOVISION security cameras and accessories. You can reach us through our contacts.